All right, another feature release for GoHighLevel. These are for users that are on the Pro plan, which with the SaaS configurator. And so the ability to customize the number of users that you can have, and as well as the number of contacts that each account can have. So if you have different plans, now you are able to modify those plans and have certain limits, so that maybe you may have a pricing tier with the number of users as well as number of contacts. All right, so let me go and share my screen, and we'll get to it. All right, now I'm in the SaaS configurator, and as you can see, we've already have plans in place. Now, most instances when you upgrade to the Pro plan or the top plan, they should already be set up, or they should have some plans already in place. It's just a matter of adjusting the features. Now, let's go into edit detail. Now, understand that the current UI may change because GoHighLevel is always constantly updating and upgrading, so it may change and the way it looks may be different. But as of right now, you go into edit details and you click on pricing right here, and this is where you now have the ability to change your user limit right here and turn it on, and you can change the number of users accordingly here. Now, you can also set the contact limit, maximum number of contacts allowed in the sub account, and you can go ahead and change it right here. Okay. Now I'm not gonna change it because I don't have any limits on my plan. So understand that when you set it here, any new accounts that is set up will be applied with these limits if you set those limits. Now, previous customers that have already purchased through your plan without any limits, you would have to go into the sub account for that specific account. Let me go into, for example, my own sub account, which is K Madison. And for that, you go into sub accounts and go into the specific plan. And this is my own plan. And then what you're going to do is you're going to stroll down to the very bottom, or near the bottom, and this is where actually my plan is not on SaaS configurator. So let me go to a plan that does have this limit. Sorry about that. So it's my account, so I don't have SaaS configurator set up, as you can see here. And you would know that the SaaS configurator is set up by SaaS subscription is active right here. So let's just go, let's go into Debbie's account, for example, and let's go and take a look at the bottom. And right here is the usage limit. So this is where you can set the usage limit here, as well as the contact limit here, right? Now, also understand that when they upgrade, let's say, for example, if the user upgrades to the account, it's going to reset according to what is set on the SaaS configurator. All right, so one thing to note here is that the limit that is set here on the managed client for the sub account overrides the subscribed limit that is on the subscribe on the plan, right? Now, if the customer upgrades to a upper plan, let's say, or possibly downgrade, it's going to reset according to the limit that is set on that specific plan. All right, now that you have the ability to limit the number of users as well as the number of contacts for a specific plan, you have greater flexibility to manage the different plans, pricing structure as well. All right, so I hope this video was helpful. I look forward to seeing you in my next product update, new feature video. Okay, bye now.